So in this Apple Pages tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to rotate images on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up on your device, you have to obviously add an image to your design here. So I'm going to go to the top, press on that purple square, and I'm just going to scroll here. You can also slide this to the right, press the paperclip, add a photo of your own liking. But for this example, I'm just going to go ahead here, and how about add a video or a picture of this toothbrush. Fun little picture right here. Now, if you want to rotate it, there's not like a rotate button. Instead, it just kind of moves you this way. You're going to have to use two fingers, and you're going to have to hold down on the design. Once you guys are here, you can actually just rotate it this way. So if you want to rotate it like this, it'll show you the degree, and all of a sudden I've rotated it this way. You can go ahead, flip it back, whatever you got to do, and you can kind of play around with it that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to rotate images on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.